Hello students, welcome to the maths class. Today in this video or in this maths class, we are going to solve the problems which you are all facing while solving the mental maths. I know you all are facing some problems while solving the mental maths, some mental maths sums which we are giving in the videos. So we will learn how to solve that sums, and you just go through the video. Before starting solving the sums, let me say one thing. The sums which I am going to show you today, no need to write that all sums in your copy. Just go through the video and learn how to solve that sums. Okay, now look at the board very carefully. The first sum. This sum already we have given. What is that? 4 into 0 plus 2 into 6 equals to how much? Okay, now how you will solve? First, see very carefully. You will solve this one. So 4 into 0. So as we know, whenever we multiply any number with 0, we will get 0 only. So here 0, then the addition sign we will put, and 2 6 are how much you all know? 12. So 0 plus 12 means 12. So the answer is 12. Understand the first sum? So whenever you get this type of sum, first solve this one, then put the correct sign, then this part, and then after that you will get the answer. Understood? Clear? Come to the next sum. 30 plus dash equals to 50. How you will solve? This is very easy. As students, you all have done subtraction in UKG. So that subtraction will help you to solve this sum. See, whenever any numbers come here with the addition sign, do a rough one. Which one is greater, 50 or 30? 50 is greater. As we all know, when we have to do subtraction, we have to put the greater number first and then the smaller number. So we will write here 50. What I have told you, the addition sign will change to subtraction sign and then 30. So 0 0 0, and after 3 up to 5 how much? 3 4 5. So 2. Okay, what is the answer? 2 20. So put this 20 here and check your answer. 30 plus 20 is equals to 50. After you do the rough, erase it. No need to show it. Understand how to solve it? Just take this number this side, do a rough work, subtract the smaller number from the greater number, and you will get the answer. Let's move to the next question. Okay, one question there I have given you. Write first 5 2 digits number. Okay. Now here first you have to understand which are the 1 digit number and which are the 2 digit numbers. See, from 1 to 9 means 1 2 3 4 up to 9, we are having one single digit. These are single digit. And from 10 to 99, we are having 2 digits. Here 1 digit and 2 digit. And in that question, what I have given you, that write first 5 2 digit numbers. So first 5 means from first you have to start 10, 11, 2 digit number, first 5, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. Understand? If it is written that write first 5, then you have to maintain this series. But if it is not written, if only the question is given, write any 2 digit number, you can write any number from 10 up to 99. Understand this one? Let's move to the next question. and 2 ones dash 3 tens. And here a greater sign is given and you have to say this is true or this is false statement. How you will understand this is true or this is false? How you will understand? See this. First write what number is forming from this. 3 tens and 2 ones. Means what is the number? 3 tens and 2 ones. Means 32. Put the dash. And here 3 tens. Means 3 tens is also written as 30. And the greater sign is given. Now see. 32 is greater than 30. So this statement is true or false? This is true. This is correct. So you can put a tick or over the true. So whenever you get this type of sum in words, it is written in words, then you try to first make what number is coming from this and this. Then put the correct sign and then see this is the statement is correct or not. Understood? Next. One next sum I have given. How many letters are there in the word mathematics? This is very simple. What are the letters? Just count the letters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So total how many letters? 11. So your answer is here. 11 letters are there in the word mathematics. We can, any other words can also come in the exam. Not only this. Any other word. Suppose the word has come camel. And it is asked how many letters are there in the word. So you just count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how many words? 5 words. 5 letters. Understood? Okay. Let's move to the next question. Put correct sign. Okay. But suppose it is given 77 dash 10 plus 20. What these type of sums whenever come, try to solve the parts of both the sides. Then you will get the answer. First, what is written here in words? 77. So how we write in figure 77 like this? Okay, put the dash. 10 plus 20. How much 10 plus 20? 10 plus 20 is 30. Now see, it's become easy to put the correct sign. What sign we will put here? As 77 is greater than 30, so the sign will be like this. Whenever this type of sum comes, students listen carefully, solve both the parts of both the sides and then put the correct sign. Understood this one? Next. 0 tens and 6 ones equals to how much? First solve it. 0 tens and 6 ones. As we know, when 0 comes left side of any digit, that doesn't mean anything. So the number is forming 6. Understand? So these 8 sums today in this video you will learn how to solve these mental math sums, and in the next another video I will make you understand how to solve mental maths of another questions. First follow this video carefully and learn how to solve these sums. No need to write these sums in your copy. I will give a PDF that you will write in your copy. This video is only to clear your all the problems regarding mental maths. After going through the video, if you have any more problems regarding the mental math, any more sums, let me know, comment in the comment box, and I will try to solve it in the next video. Okay, thank you.